Hey crew, today's video will be a cream cheese peach cobbler, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We'll be using cream cheese, 1 stick of salted butter, 2 cans of peaches, cinnamon sugar, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, pure vanilla extract, Pearl Milling Company buttermilk complete pancake mix, whole milk, and sugar. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Like and comment on the video. Let's get into this video. Alright crew, so we have two 15-ounce cans of peaches. And we're going to drain our peaches. Alright, so into our peaches, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. One-fourth teaspoon of ground ginger, one teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Alright, so we're going to give this a mix. Perfect. Alright, cool. So we have 8 ounces of cream cheese here. And we're gonna only use 4 ounces of it. We have vanilla extract. We're gonna go in with a half a tablespoon. Sugar. One tablespoon of white sugar. So when all we went in with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Okay crew, so we have our pancake mix, and we're gonna go in with 1 cup and a half of pancake mix, and we're gonna add to that 1 cup of milk. So we just gonna give it a mix here until everything is well combined. And if you have any lumps in it, it's okay because it'll cook out. So don't worry about any lumps that may form when you're mixing it together. And then for our pan, we're gonna go in with 1 stick of butter, and we're gonna melt it in the oven. Okay, so once your butter is melted in your pan, you just want to take your batter and you want to pour your batter all over the butter. And make sure that you evenly distribute your batter throughout the pan. So we're going to take our peaches and our mixture that we mixed up with our spices, and we're just going to evenly distribute our peaches throughout the batter. And also, I drained 1 can of the peaches. In the second can, I only drained half. And when you add the sugar, that will actually give you extra juice too. And here's a little slow-mo for y'all of me pouring the rest of that sauce over that batter and those peaches. Alright crew, so for the next step, we're going to take our cream cheese and we're just going to dump it all throughout our peach cobbler. And once it cooked, it'll spread out. So just place it throughout, maybe an inch or a quarter inch apart. And here's that famous close-up of our cream cheese peach cobbler before we put it in the oven. Okay crew, so if you notice, I didn't put no cinnamon or cinnamon sugar on top of it. I just baked it in the oven. So I baked it in the oven at 350 degrees for 55 minutes. Then the last 5 minutes, I took it out the oven and I topped it with the cinnamon sugar. Here's another famous close-up of our cream cheese peach cobbler after I topped it with the cinnamon sugar and before I put it back in the oven for the last 5 minutes. Once again, 350 degrees for 55 minutes. Then take it out at that mark and top it with your cinnamon sugar or your cinnamon and put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes. Alright crew, so our cream cheese peach cobbler is ready. And I took it out the oven and I allowed it to completely cool off before I went in for a scoop. And thanks to the queen for recording for me while I did this part. I truly appreciate it. And y'all, when I tell y'all this cream cheese peach cobbler was on point, like the flavors, I'm speechless. That's all I can say. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like the video and comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.